Gosh, this is so tiring! Why are we rebuilding this bridge again?
As eliminated contestants, it is our duty.
A civil emergency message for San Francisco and Los Angeles, California. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco and the Los Angeles Police Department, at 11 a.m., February 18, 2026 Pacific Daylight Time. 2 humans are attacking civilians. It is unknown what are the names is. Please lock all your doors and windows. We are currently investigating the situation. There are these anime characters from Demon's Lair. Do not go outside, or else you will face certain death. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Hold on, I don't think we have enough to build the whole bridge.
Law enforcement warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco, California and the Los Angeles, California Police Department. All residents in San Francisco and Los Angeles, lock all your doors and windows right now. Many people have been reported that they found names. Names are Daki and Jayataro. They are from an anime series called Demon's Lair. Both Daki and Jayataro are very dangerous. Please lock all doors and windows. Do not go outside. If you do, you will be in jail time for 1 month. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco and the Los Angeles Police Department. Daki and Gyotaro are now breaking into people's homes and attacking civilians. Please evacuate the area immediately. Get necessary supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, or battery power, or hand crank radio. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Know how I know? My tummy's grumbly. That means I'm hungry.
An earthquake warning may be effect until 2:23 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Daki and Jayataro has took Casio from Arkansas to California and made Casio do jumping jacks. All of Los Angeles and San Francisco should drop, cover, and hold onto a table. A tsunami watch will maybe be issued until further notice.
Meow meow. And the museum go round lunchboxes for... That's mine.
The National Weather Service has issued Tsunami Watch number 1852206. At 3:28 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a tsunami watch has been issued for your area. Please follow the directions. What you need to do during a tsunami: bring supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, and a battery pack or a hand crank radio, and get to higher ground now. Do not wait. Go to higher ground now just in case a real tsunami comes. Stay tuned for more updates on the situation. A tsunami warning. Repeat, tsunami warning. The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the following counties or areas: San Francisco, California, and Los Angeles, California. After the earthquake happened 2 hours ago, a 5 feet tall and extremely dangerous tsunami has been issued for your area. This has caused by Daki and Gyutaro. Get to higher ground now.
National Information Center. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government due to the tsunami warning. It has been reported that there is no tsunami warning, but we don't usually send out national information centers in case of a national emergency. But we need your help. Daki and Gyutaro are destroying places in their palace. If you don't have the basement, go to the bathroom or to the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay tuned for more updates on this serious situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All the AS participants shall follow the activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by.
Hello fellow Americans. Today is a horrible day to say that Daki and Gyutaro has brought demons to attack the city of Los Angeles and other states, including Alaska and Hawaii. The United States of America will not give up until we do. Please do not cry, do not panic, and remain calm, and seek shelter if you have a shelter. If not, go to a bathroom or in the lowest floor of a sturdy building. That's all I have to say. Bye-bye, and God bless America.
The demons from Demon's Lair have been killed by the police. We are still trying to kill Daki and Gyutaro. Stay on your shelters until further notice. Stay tuned for more updates on
following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear message from the previous alert a few hours ago. Daiki and Gyotaro have been successfully killed by the police and the United States government. However, it will take a few years to rebuild the buildings. If your house has been damaged, contact the police immediately. We may now resume irregular programming.